Hey guys, Andy with Regent Supply here. Today we're at a customer site location which we're going to do an installation service for their restroom dispensers. A lot of people don't know that Regent Supply offers this kind of service, but we do anything from restroom essentials, ware wash, commercial laundry, dilution systems, and much more. Let's go behind the scene now and check out the type of services we can offer you and help you save your money today. Make sure to contact one of our representatives at 1-800-438-5042 to see how we can help you maintain and improve your facilities every day.